guys, how did you like that hiking montage? So JT and I went to the top of Flagstaff here in Boulder. It was epic. We were literally at the top of the mountains. So healing, so good. I feel so great. So we just got back. I tidied up a little bit. It was so windy. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed that because I really want to like highlight the importance of being in nature, being in the trees, being in the mountains, and then also protecting yourself with really good winter wear and things that protect yourself from the element. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby Violet and I'm just gonna do a quick little chit-chatty vlog with you guys. As you saw, we just got back from hiking. I wanted to talk to you guys about my favorite athleisure wear brand and I'll quick haul, and then I want to show you guys a Fendi bag reveal because you guys know I love luxury bags, and yeah, and then we'll just kind of go from there. And I really wanted to touch on forest bathing as well and how it's so good for the soul and how it pretty much healed me and has made me like I don't know, we'll talk more about it, but I just feel so incredibly calm, at peace, just so happy. So let's get started. Just got back, feel so great, rejuvenated. Before we go into my Beneunder haul and how much I love their items, I'm telling you, if you like outdoors, you like feeling classy, you like feeling put together in quality wear, and you like the outdoors, this is the brand for you. But before we do that, I want to show you the bag of the day and also a Fendi bag reveal. It is, well, let me just show you real quick. It is back in my collection. So here it is. I have this vintage Fendi bag, shoulder bag. It is in silver hardware. If you guys are OG followers, then you guys know I had this back in Denver. So that was like, oh my gosh, like 6 years ago. And I loved it so much. And I wore it to one of my vacations a few years ago, probably about, gosh, 5 years ago or something, and my mom loved it, so I gave it to her. Well, she gave it back to me because she has a pretty nice significant collection of bags now, and so she gave it back to me. She doesn't wear it because she doesn't wear shoulder bags, but I absolutely love this, so that is what I wore. I love it. So it's new, back in my collection. It was in my collection for 7 years, gone for 5 years, and now she's back and I wear it like all the time. So yeah, this is my new Fendi bag. Well, new to me, vintage, and back in my collection. So good to see her again. Love it. All right, guys. So next, I wanted to go into pretty much a Beneunder haul, and I've worked with this company. Thank you again, Beneunder, for sponsoring this video. But I really want to share this with you guys because, as you know, I love luxury. I love dressing up, going to nice like dinner parties and everything, and going out, being in, you know, just being in nice things. But really the core to me and most important is being in nature, going hiking, being in the forest and trees. Soon I'm gonna go skiing in January, taking my first ski lessons. So now that we're back in Colorado, and it's so important for me to be stylish and to be comfortable and have quality clothes. And so for the most part, every time I like go shopping or I go places, when I see athleisure wear, to me it's a little more masculine, a little too revealing. I don't know, I really just am very particular about athleisure wear. Sorry, that's a tongue twister. And so Beneunder is like the perfect athleisure wear company for me. First off, they have a lot of like UV protection. They're very into that. They're very into protecting yourself from the elements, from wind, from sun, from and it's important to also have cooling effects. So this company is based out of Hong Kong. I've had their clothing for over a year and they are truly my favorite. Their packaging comes so spectacularly. They're like in individually packed items, and when you take care of your packaging and your products, to me, it shows that you care about your items. And so I love that. I really love just like their whole style. I'm gonna put their information down in the description box, and also please be sure to shop their website right now, at least just check it out, because they are having a Black Friday sale that started last week and will be going until December 2nd or 3rd. I'll put everything right here and in the description box. Additionally, I do have a coupon code for you guys, which I highly suggest you using. It is right here. But let's get into the haul. I actually already wore everything. I tried things on and then I wore it on my hike because I wanted to make sure that I had a proper review for you guys and proper, like, that I absolutely loved everything before I show it to you guys. So the shoes, please don't mind them. They have a little bit of dirt on them. So let's get into that, guys. Actually, no, let's get into my favorite piece. So guys, I actually am going skiing in January, and for the first time with one of my friends, and I'm so excited for the first time. I didn't know what to buy. I was looking at all these ski jackets. I'm telling you, Beneunder reached out to me, and I literally, it was a saving grace. I have my ski jacket. So this is the 3-in-1 jacket. The outside is a shell. It is water resistant, water repellent, oil resistant, and I love this lavender color. You guys saw it in the montage. It has a hood too, protects you from the elements, and then it has deep pockets, and it also has their logo right here. Love it, love it, love it. What I really love about it is, as you know, when you go skiing or if you're hiking in nature in the wintertime, it gets cold, but once you start working out, you want to be able to layer. And this is what, and then you just unzip it like so, and you take off your shell like so. All these pieces are a size medium. I am 5'2" and 130 pounds. And so you can wear this alone as a like windbreaker. And when I was on the mountain, guys, I don't know if you saw how windy it was, but it was so windy. And this really helped me from the elements. So absolutely like love this. And also it has like the little details of the Beneunder on the button. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. And it's supposed to be scratch resistant and all that, like level 4. So good, guys. And look how small this folds up. So and I also love this combination of the light gray, and this is a fully insulated jacket for, lined and everything, and this will also keep you warm. This is a beautiful light gray color. I just really like the combination of purple, lavender, and gray when I'm going skiing. And I'm just gonna look so cute in the snow. And so I absolutely love this, and I'm gonna be wearing this skiing all the time. I'm gonna take you guys vlogging for that for my first lessons, I think. Maybe we'll see. And then next, you guys saw I was wearing this. This is a cream. I was actually wearing it over this thermal wear. This is a wool thermal wear, and then I have matching pants. And I love this because this is stretchy and it keeps you warm from the elements. This is size medium as well. I got a little makeup on it, forgive me. And I love that it has thumb holes in here. So for me, it's very important that when I go like hiking or doing outdoor stuff that I have some stretch. So I actually wore it over this because I wanted to be super warm and it was very cold up there. So love this. They have many different colors. They have many different colors in that ski jacket as well. Love this. The prices are very well priced considering the quality of these items. So yes, next I'll talk about this because this is what I was talking about. This is the thermal wear. It's double lined, so wool on the outside and wool on the inside, and it's very tight and fitting. You know, I'm gonna wear it under my ski clothes. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the pants, but I'm gonna go back here. I don't think you'll be able to see the pants, but essentially they're the same thing. It's just a full body thermal wear outfit, and it fits me so nicely, and it's so warm and it's so soft on the outside and inside, and it's very what's it called, cooling as well. It's warm, but I feel airflow as well. So this will be going underneath my ski wear, and also I did wear it underneath this too, and this is gonna be my hiking pants for sure. They are like cargo pants. They're wind resistant and they're stretch. They're wide-legged and there's some pockets on the side as well. Beneunder. I actually think I got a size, no, everything's a medium. I love this because, like I said, you can layer and put this underneath, and this is perfect for hiking. And I actually, there was a lot of like rocks and stuff, so I actually like skimmed my pants against it, and I was worried about it, but thankfully this has scratch resistant, like very high scratch resistance, and also it has like drawstring at the bottom if you're worried about like having elements go in. There's also these little like holes right here, so sweat, and also like it's breathable. And I'm telling you guys, I absolutely love this. This also comes in different colors as well. And what's cool about this color is it can kind of just like go with everything. You saw me wearing it with the white top, and then also this, you can wear it with this black top alone. And this is the next most favorite item as well. These are, they call them, I think, the Doc Martens or Martin boots, but these are water resistant, and they have the Beneunder logo right here. Sorry they're a little dirty. Like I said, just got back from hiking, and my favorite thing about it is it's lightweight, and you know, I'm short, so 5'2", so there's a little bit of heel on it. Super lightweight, super comfortable. There is cushioning in the inside. You're not gonna be able to see, but this is to make it comfortable for you when you hike, which is very comfortable. This supports my ankles, and also the a little bit of heels elongates your legs, so it looks super cute and stylish at the same time. I actually wanted the suede, like, no, not suede, the light brown, but they're out, but I think I'm gonna get them. They're like in this cream color, but I love these boots. And like I said, if it rains, water resistant. It's this beautiful, I don't know how, it's like a soft material, but I absolutely love these. These are so cool and stylish, and all the prices to me are very like very good for the quality of these. I'm telling you, try it out, guys. So lastly, this is one of my favorites. Actually, I think I said everything was my favorite, but this is wool scarf, and it's in these different colors of green, and I think this would be perfect for a gift for someone that you just wanted to try Beneunder a little bit, to try it, because it's perfect for Christmas and for winter. And it's this most big like shawl, and there's so many ways of wearing it. I really like that it has this little like button clasp right here, and so you can clasp this two together like so, and then put it button it like this, and then put it over your head, and it keeps you warm and it can't fly away. Obviously I gotta make it like cuter, but you know how many ways you can wear this like scarf. Absolutely love this. I'm actually blown away by the price, but I believe it's $49 for a wool scarf, and look how massive it is. I mean, remember when well, I don't want to mention it, but remember when Balenciaga came out with a really big scarf like this? It was super popular. It really reminds me of the quality of that, although you know how I feel about Balenciaga now. But yeah, so absolutely love it. It's like my blanket at the same time, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I really love Beneunder. Check them out. Use my discount code, and if you have any questions, ask me. I am going to be ordering a few things during the oopsies. I am going to be doing a few, picking up a few things from them from the sale, so check it out too. But yeah, so that is it, guys. I do want to talk a little bit about forest bathing if you guys are still here. And so I don't know if you've heard about it, but it just relatively, this is, it's not literally like bathing in the forest, but bathing in the forest. So you're not in water in a bathtub, but you are immersed in nature, in the trees, in the mountains. And it was founded like in the 1982 or 87, so only for 4 decades. So if you go into nature and you're like hiking, or you're sitting there and you're being present, you literally will get the benefits of like having less stress, lowering your blood pressure, decreasing cortisol levels, increasing oxygen levels, and pretty much at the end of the day like feeling incredible. And so when you feel incredible, you're just gonna be happier, you're gonna be healthier. And for me, forest bathing has like literally like, it has saved my life, like honestly, because when I was in Texas in San Antonio, we were in a very city-like environment. There wasn't really, and it's so hot and so many mosquitoes and we're so stressed out, and I was just like really losing it. So watch a past video where I stayed in the house for a year. And now that we're back in Boulder again, I literally am so like happy. Like obviously God has helped me, and God is nature and stuff like that, but just taking that time a few days a week to be in nature and sunlight will improve your levels significantly. It's very common sense if you really think about it, but if you really look into forest bathing, it's very intriguing. There's more than just like sitting in nature. There's more than just that. It's like focusing on all your senses, your hearing, you know, the wind through the leaves, the sights, the colors, the oxygen coming in, the smells, just it hits on so many senses and sensory levels, and it really like puts you in a present level. And it is a form of meditation if you really think about it. It's not like the meditation where you're shutting your eyes, but it's like a walking, moving meditation. And for me, that's very like cleansing and also very just like just very healing for me. So yeah, so GT is actually on a business phone call right now, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear that, but I just wanted to kind of touch base on it. I'm gonna leave a article link from the Cleveland Medical Clinic about some of the like statistics on forest bathing, and then also guys, if you're in the city, because we're in Boulder near the mountains, if you're in the city, there's many ways to forest bathe and you know, look cute at the same time with your cute items. But you can just like have like trees or plants in your room or in your house, or open up the windows to get fresh air, sit on your balcony and get some sunlight, and just really like absorb all that. So yes guys, I just wanted to tell you thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little chit chatty vlog, and don't forget to check out Beneunder. Everything will be in the description box. I love you guys so much, and I hope that you found this a little bit helpful. I encourage you today that if you have not gone outside, if you have not exercised and just got a little bit of sunlight, this is your sign to do so. So I will see you guys later, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.